Andrew. Good morning.
Good morning.
So, you recently participated at the Food Packaging Forum's 2020 workshop, and I think it was the first Food Packaging Forum workshop that you joined. Can you tell us how you found the event?
Yeah, it was an interesting event because it's a subject that I don't often talk at. I'm normally talking at environmental organisations or meetings, but I think it went well, and it opened up a new range of contacts for me, and I learned from interactions with other people, certainly things about the food packaging industry that I wasn't aware of before. So I think it was, I'd like to think mutually, it was a good experience.
Oh, that's great. And so you mentioned already, you did a presentation. What exactly, in a nutshell, did you speak about?
It was mainly about contaminants, hazardous contaminants as additives, which get in plastics, which get recycled, and many of them end up in food contact items. So I'd hope that would be some sort of take-home message, is that we are still recycling things like electronic waste into food packaging in some cases.
So I think that's a very important message. So we should invite people to view your full presentation if they want to learn more details. But in general, hazardous chemicals are a thing in recycled materials.
Yeah, yeah.
Great. So check out Andrew's full presentation if you want to learn more. Thank you so much, Andrew.
Okay, bye.
Bye.